If you want to access Google Lyria 3.5 to make music, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to get into Lyria 3.5 inside FlowMusic so you can start generating music faster and with less confusion. This is a simple process, but if you've never used the platform before, it helps to know exactly where to click. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to FlowMusic.App. Once the website loads, you should be on the main FlowMusic interface. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log into your account so you can access the music tools available on the platform. After you're inside, look near the top area of the screen for the settings dropdown. This is where FlowMusic keeps different model and generation options, so take a moment to locate it before moving on. Now click on the settings dropdown. When the menu opens, you should see different available choices. From that list, choose Lyria 3.5. That selection tells FlowMusic to use the Lyria 3.5 model for your music generation workflow. Once you click it, the platform should switch over to Lyria 3.5, and from there you can begin creating music with that model. If the option doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and make sure you're in the correct account or workspace. Sometimes model availability depends on where you're logged in, so it's always worth double checking. After selecting Lyria 3.5, you're ready to start experimenting with prompts, styles, moods, and different music ideas. That's really all there is to it. Go to FlowMusic, open the settings dropdown, and select Lyria 3.5. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this video was useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.